About 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water. One of the world's most extravagant and exquisite tourist destinations, Maldives, is defined by it. 99% of the idyllic island nation is comprised of water. As we commemorate the United Nations International Year of Water Cooperation, raising awareness on proper water management has never been more important. And the role tourism could play in water conservation is ever more crucial. Maldives, a low-lying island nation and a world-famous holiday destination, is at the forefront of harmonizing development and environmental preservation. With its development partner, United Nations Development Programme, and the support of Global Environment Facility, Maldives has embarked on an initiative called the Tourism Adaptation Project, TAP, aimed at increasing the climate change resilience of the Maldives through adaptation in the tourism sector. The TAP project recognizes that the Maldivian tourism sector can and should act as a catalyst to promote water conservation. Being in the forefront of ensuring environmental sustainability of the Maldivian islands, the tourism industry is in a unique position to spearhead this effort. The TAP project encourages tourist resorts in Maldives to implement policies that help protect water resources and reduce water wastage. The project also promotes best practices to ensure water conservation efforts throughout the tourism sector of Maldives. To achieve these objectives, the TAP project has highlighted 3 major policy recommendations. An integrated water resource management is key to promoting management of water without compromising the sustainability of vital ecosystems. This is also an important aspect of revamping the national water sector strategy. It is estimated that the tourism sector requires over 2,240,000 litres of fresh water annually, generating approximately 1,904 litres of wastewater annually. To ensure that not a single drop of water is wasted, implementing a strong strategy on recycling and reusing water is vital. As such, all tourist facilities will be encouraged to undertake secondary level wastewater treatment as a minimum standard. As per the recommendations of TAP, Maldives will also adopt a demand-driven approach to manage water and wastewater efficiently. Such an approach requires the entire communities to participate in the process. Solidarity between beneficiaries is another important aspect identified by the TAP project. This requires both island communities and tourism operators to cooperate closely in matters of natural resources management. In effect, this year's theme for World Tourism Day, Tourism and Water, Protecting Our Common Future, emphasizes the relationship between the two, highlighting tourism sector's contribution to a more sustainable water future. Tourism being the economic engine of the Maldives, the sector has been actively engaged in corporate social responsibility programs. For this reason, the tourism sector can and must promote efforts to ensure access to clean drinking water for neighboring island communities by helping them capture and store rainwater. The current freshwater harvesting and recycling techniques provide environmentally sound solutions that pave way for a sustainable water future for tourist resorts and other islands. Most tourist resorts in Maldives are already realizing the contribution of tourism to sustainability-related issues, especially to climate change response and the management of water resources. Eco-friendly resorts in Maldives committed to environmental sustainability are discovering innovative ways to manage water more efficiently. Many tourist resorts in Maldives have their own bottling plants, where drinking water is produced and distributed to hotel guests, reducing carbon footprint on packaging, handling, and transportation. In addition, desalination plants in all tourist facilities purify seawater for domestic users on the islands, effectively reducing excessive water consumption and avoiding extraction of scarce groundwater. As tourist islands in Maldives have limited land space for infrastructure development, many have garnered their world-class reputation by constructing water storage and treatment facilities underneath recreational grounds, while others build private residence villas and public facilities over the clear emerald waters. Remarkably, the tourism industry of Maldives has also pioneered global innovations by introducing underwater spas and restaurants in harmony with its natural surroundings. The resort hotel sector's commitment to promote eco-friendly tourism to increase the climate change resilience of Maldives sets a great example for the rest to follow. It is evident that Maldives continues to shine in its unwavering determination to adapt to a changing world. And why not? It is a matter of survival for the future generations of this water world called Maldives.